If your Tesla keycard suddenly stops working, there are a few quick fixes that solve the problem most of the time. Start by checking the correct position. Hold the keycard flat against the driver's side door pillar, just below the camera, and keep it there for 1 to 2 seconds. Slight misplacement is the most common reason the card isn't detected. Next, clean both the card and the sensor area. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe the keycard and the door pillar sensor, since dust, fingerprints, or moisture can interfere with recognition. If you have a second keycard, try using it. If the backup works, the original card may be damaged or worn out. If the issue continues, restart the car. Go to Controls, then Safety, tap Power Off, wait a few minutes without touching anything, and then press the brake pedal to reboot the system. You can also reprogram the keycard by removing it from the vehicle's keys menu and adding it again using a working keycard or the mobile app. If none of these steps restore access, it's time to contact Tesla support. They can check for hardware issues or replace the keycard if needed.